They said no to Ebubago. Our governor is trying to kill the whole boys. But to say no to it. Today it must stop. Ebubago must go. Anybody that can answer Ebubago now should be dead.
Welcome to Open Whispers channel. Welcome to the arena with Chris Diggers. Kindly remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and most importantly, make sure you click on the bell sign to enable you get notified whenever we upload a new video. See something, say something, and most importantly, do something. You cannot afford to sit on the fence. When you sit on the fence, you are not just selling your future, you're selling the future of the generation yet unborn. It comes a time when silence is a crime. What makes a man and a champion, a true champion, is not where he stands in times of comfort, but where he stands in times of conflict. You have to make your decision. Make up your mind. What is going on in Imo State today is appalling. Hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State, has responded with what I find as tissues of lies. Being a stakeholder in that Imo State, I have to come out and try not to be politically correct. The killing of innocent young men.
Okay, on the heaven 17th Sunday.
My junior brother can tell
I have enough.
Chijoke, because on Nam. The remain the Bendogra. Then after I met China, dog I up by you, sign them or Melanie Hanen, there go Hammer China, I'm with the Hanajan, your home, and here you in one mind. Then you know how to have this ever behind. I reach out you. Then Nine, Dana has some desert. I love 3 machines. Windows or move with that machine. Is the 4th machine. Then by move from ever high, from ever to 3 pole, and they will go speed the papa. Then the machine and I did how Bahaka or Coco. Bahani the machine and not how Bahani the town. Then Okada was move my brother from a revise out with the speed. As I have a Uben dog out of fear or buffer because all at the straight road. And I am a one at that straight road, and I will behind the drop, block all the road. Then I have a busy gonna convert the other person numbers. And I have when you have a hard jubilous, not trying out why I buy. Then convert I'm with my brother man. When you cannot as other, here is about the boy. Then I want my hope to know today, go on. Okay, hope you know too. So then that my brother Papa my here chicken over. I do. So how much in there moving that who put up a block here was in the battery that my brother when I got we have a machine at that been the home other for one side. No business son all for my guy by law, weapon dog like I I want to I wouldn't doubt all for my guy by law. Listen, he lost how pushes in almost 6 or 8 bends. A little cock web. Gahan with your letter is none however, woman is like this. Why? More as an alley. With it on for Mozambique.
I tried to ask myself some questions after the Awo Mama saga, where I saw wailing and I felt wailing. I felt the blood of the innocents, the youth, women, and the endless tales of woes that has bedeviled Imo State since the inception of the present administration. I've tried to keep quiet because I like giving a chance or giving benefit of doubt to leaders and avoid not criticizing them. Avoid criticizing them at will, because I know that seat may be hot. But not when you are prepared for leadership though. One of the primary responsibilities of a responsible government is to protect lives and properties of our citizens. This has not been the case in Imo State. I've asked myself a question, and I tried to go with Governor Hope Uzodinma. And let's say, according to him, that the people killed are bandits. I never knew there was bandits in the southeast. I've tried to reason, assuming, quote unquote, they were bandits. Go to the north. The bandits that kill and maim innocent people, when they are captured, they are being rehabilitated. Boko Haram, a terror organization, their members are captured, debriefed, sent abroad for rehabilitation. So assuming Hope Uzodinma is right, and these young children are quote unquote bandits, you overpower them, you capture them. You don't think you should try them and avoid extrajudicial killing? But I've seen clips. First of all, his own clip saying it's propaganda, and alleged DSS speaking that they overpowered them, that they got information. I cry for Imo State. I saw a young man who said how he was pursued on his bike with his brothers. The two brothers killed in cold blood. It's been confirmed from one or two inquiries that these people actually went for a traditional wedding. And 14 of them killed, just like that. Hope Uzodinma, if they were your children, would you kill them this way? Are you a leader? Are you a governor? That you cannot protect the lives and properties of the people of Imo State? I think you should resign. And he questions again, how did you even come to power? If you came to power through the ballot of the people, you cannot be doing what you are doing. You should be afraid of going to the polls, because the question will be, how did you fare from the vote that the people of Imo State gave you? The problem I have with the people here is still the same, selling your conscience for a pot of porridge. Assuming that we subsume all reasonings and say he got it through the ballot. Is he a credible leader? How did he get your vote? Did he deserve it? You can say he was he's a Supreme Court governor. Okay. But at least he scored 1,000 votes at least. Who are those 1,000 people that voted for Hope Uzodinma? What is Hope Uzodinma's track record? What is his level of reasoning? What is his background? What is his education? What are his antecedents before now? We cannot be afraid again to speak the truth to power. You cannot be killing the people of Imo State. Look at the demonstrations since Sunday.
Dogu East and Dogu West. They said no to Ebubago. Our governor is trying to kill the whole boys. But I just say no to it. Today it must stop. Ebubago must go. Anybody that can answer Ebubago now should be dead. Look at the entire road. Everywhere is blocked. Everywhere is blocked. Can you imagine shutdown? Total shutdown. Total shutdown. In Ogu West and Ogu East. Total shutdown. Nobody's going up, nobody's coming out. Look at what is happening. This is the local government headquarters. Look at what is happening. There can be lots of people. There can be lots of people. Yes, everybody's angry of what is happening. Ebubago must go. They must go. They must go. You can read it. You can read it very well.
Look at the people crying. Look at the youth coming together to say enough is enough. Hope Uzodinma, you have failed the people of Imo State, and I think you should resign. You can spill out lies. I listened to a clip where you were struggling with the truth. But the problem with Nigerian politicians is that they feast on blood of the innocents. It's like the number of people you kill determines if you can be on that seat of power. And this is exactly my fears for Obi. I ran for the governor of Imo State. I wasn't scared of telling the truth, telling you people, this is my antecedent, this is my qualification, this is what I want to do. But those, that same clique that helped Uzodinma there did not want to hear the truth. Is it true that any leader is as good as the people that elected him? Don't ask me if he was elected. Because if the people had said no, Hope Uzodinma wouldn't have been dead. Even the person you said I won the election and make it here, all of them rigged the election. Tomorrow is coming, 2023. Will the people rise up, vote and defend their vote to elect a governor who will bring that democracy that is for the people and by the people? Enough of this nonsense in Imo State. And I keep asking that same question. Is Imo State cursed or blessed? From what I am saying, it's like Imo State is cursed. This is sad. Check the antecedents of those that have occupied that seat of power. Even before Hope Uzodinma, check the antecedents. Check Rocha Sokorocha of Iberiberism. Even Hakim Isibera. Successive failures of leadership in that state. But will the people rise up now through the ballot boxes and vote and defend their vote to elect a leader from the people without minding what is called structure? Because if you continue doing that time and again, you cannot expect a different result. Hope Uzodinma, you have failed the people of Imo State. The massacre of the youth of our mama on Sunday, is that a proof of what you have been alleged to have been doing in Imo State? I know Nigeria, especially Imo State, is not a place where people speak the truth to power, but you have to know the truth. And I call on all well-meaning of Imolites not to sit on the fence. This could be a child. So when you want to have a reason to victimize anybody in Igbo land, you tag that person IPOB or ESN to have a reason to kill that person. Where is justice? Where is law and order in that state? Enough of this nonsense. Enough of this killing. Hope Uzodinma. Let me quote Patient Jonathan. There is God though. Blood is flowing in Imo State. And enough is enough.